Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to tell you and I'm going to give you a brief explanation on why you are not seeing your friend post on Facebook and how you can fix it. So if you're not seeing your friends post on Facebook, it could be due to several reasons related to the Facebook algorithm, your settings, or maybe your activity. And this is a step-by-step guide to fix the issue. First, you need to understand the Facebook newsfeed algorithms because Facebook prioritizes content based on engagement, recency, and relevance. So if you haven't interacted with a friend's post recently, like liking, commenting, or sharing their posts, so their posts may appear less frequently. The second one, you can check if you are following your friends. So being friends doesn't automatically mean you are following their updates. So you can just visit your friend's profile by clicking on the search and search for your friends in here. And then you can check if the following button is active or not. So if not, you can just click on follow to see their updates in your feed. And the third one, you can also adjust the new feeds preferences. So you can go to your home screen in here on Facebook. So you can just tap on this three dots icon at the any feed that you want, and then tap on manage your feed. And in here, what you need to do is click on favorites, and then choose the friends that you want to add to your favorites. So posts from friends and pages add to your favorites are shown in hires in new feeds. You can also choose to reconnect, so reconnect with people that you are people or groups that seeing their posts on the feed. And then you need to also check your friend's privacy settings. So maybe your friend may have customized their post privacy settings to exclude certain people, including you. You can ask your friend if they've changed their privacy settings. And you can also try to interact with your friend's content. So by interacting with your friend's profile by liking, commenting, or sharing their posts, it will make Instagram change the algorithm so that you can see more of their posts. And you can also sort your feed by most recent. You can just change the feed filter into most recent. And you can also review the muted or snooze friends. You can go to the settings on and privacy in here on Facebook, and then find settings, and then just find the feed settings in here or the posts. And you can just find the settings, review your muted or snooze accounts. You can also check for technical issues. So you need to ensure that you are using the latest version of the Facebook application. And you can try to also clear the Facebook app cache. You can go to the device settings or the app info on Facebook, and then you can just tap on the storage and cache and tap on the clear the cache, this one. So that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.